other people and see like, oh my god, they're getting so much sales, and I basically have the same, I'm selling the same thing as them, and I'm not getting as much sale as them and stuff like that. That's because it's not your winning season. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lou. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you guys like what you see, which I know you will, please make sure you press the subscribe button that's down below, as well as that bell notification, so you guys are notified every single time that I post a new video. As you guys can tell by this title, today's video is going to be advice on how to increase your sales. Now I just wrote down little bullet points on the things that you can do. Okay, so these are just gonna be things that I personally do, and things that can help you on, you know, increasing your sales if you are struggling with that. Now, the first thing that I would say is, you know, make your friends and families basically share your business page. Now, I know that a lot of, like, you know, friends, you're not supposed to just ask them to do it. Honestly, if they're your real friends, they would just do it anyways. But you can just go ahead and just ask them, make friends and families, you know, just share your business page and stuff like that. And the second thing you can do is this, I mean, you don't necessarily have to do this, but this has helped plenty of people, you know, get more sales, is start a YouTube channel. Now, this YouTube channel doesn't necessarily has to do with other things. It can literally just has to do with your business. You can just have reviews and stuff like that on this YouTube channel. It doesn't have to be a YouTube channel for like to do other things. Like, if you want to do that, go ahead, but you can do this YouTube channel just for business purposes, which to get your name out there, because people like seeing products and stuff and how people use it. So this will, you know, help you in the long run. And then the third would be pass out your business cards. Now, this is something that I'm still like personally kind of struggling with, because it's hard for me to, you know, go up to people and just, you know, give them my business card. But a way that I kind of went around it is you can go to your local, like, you know, beauty supply store, and you can literally ask them, oh, can I just leave my cards in the front of the cash register and stuff like that. So you can do that, or you can just give your friends and families your business cards, and if someone happened to be talking about it, they can literally just hand it out for you, or they don't even have to be talking about it. They could just hand it to their friends and stuff like that. And as well as you, because I've tried just having the business cards with me when I am when I used to be working, I used to have it with me. And when people say, oh, I like your hair or whatever, you can literally just take out your card and be like, okay, thank you. You can go ahead and follow my business page if you guys are ever in need of like a custom unit or hair or lip gloss or whatever you're selling. So always make sure you have your business card on you, as well as you handing it out to other people. Now, this fourth one would be having giveaways and to promote your page. Having giveaways is really something very important for when you're starting off, because you're basically trying to get your name out there. So it's very important. Now, this you don't necessarily have to do, because clearly you're starting off, you don't want to waste any money, which I don't think you would be wasting money, because you would still be getting money, you know. No, you would still be getting, like, you know, people to see your business and stuff like that. So it's good to have exposure. And when I say giveaways and stuff, it doesn't have to be anything big. It could be like a lip gloss, it could be whatever you're selling. You can just give some of that out if it doesn't cost you, like, you know, too much. But having giveaways is something that could help you in the long run. And I'm sorry guys about my AC, it's very loud. Sorry about that if it bothers you. There's nothing I can really do about it. I actually forgot what number I'm on, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now this one, it kind of goes hand in hand with the giveaway, which is having different types of sales. Like on Wednesday you could have like wacky Wednesday sale, or on Friday you could have free shipping, or another day you could have buy one get one free. Now again, this can kind of cost you a little bit more money, but in the long haul, it's gonna, you know, get people to your page, and it's gonna, you know, have them try your product, and since they try your product on that sale, they will eventually probably come back and order without having sales on, because your product is just that good. Because the whole thing about this is you're trying to get people to, you know, like, you're trying to shine a light on your business, because in this industry, where the beauty industry, where it's so saturated, you're just trying to get your name out there and for people to try your product, because your product may be the bomb as hell, but since people don't know about it or doesn't see it because it's such a saturated like market, it's hard for people to see it. So if you have these sales and giveaways and stuff like that, it will shine a light on your business and will potentially, you know, help you with getting sales. And then I keep forgetting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think this is 6. Make your page appealing. Now, I already talked about this a few videos back, where basically I was saying, make sure that the way your business and stuff look, make sure it looks appealing to the eye. Like, make sure, because people, girls especially, they buy things that are pretty or that looks pretty. So make sure your page is nice enough for people to come on and, you know, and just like your page and stuff like that. Now, just because they come on your page don't mean that they can potentially not become a customer, because at the moment they might not purchase from you. People just want to see, you know, like how nice your page is and stuff like that, and will eventually become a customer. Now, the seventh thing would be just send your products out to, like, you know, smaller YouTubers, not YouTubers that charge you to, you know, promote their product, but just first, of course, contact them first, because you don't want to just mail it to them. Contact them first and ask them, can you send them anything in their PO to, you know, advertise and stuff. But make sure the people that you are sending it to, like the small YouTubers, make sure that they're within that same niche that you're basically selling to, because it would be pointless for you to send someone lip gloss or hair and they're all about technology. You see what I'm saying? Like, their audience would not respond to that, because it's not within their niche, if that makes sense. And then the last and final one is basically be patient, because sales will come. Like, be patient, be consistent, because eventually you will get sales. Like, if you continue and people see like you're like consistent, you keep going and you keep doing it, like, sometimes you just got to be your own cheerleader, because when no one else is cheering for you, you have to be the one cheering for yourself. So even if you don't have sales right now or at the moment, like, it might take a few weeks, it might take a few months, and damn near it might take like 6 months. Just keep going. It might even take a year. Now, I'm not saying that, like, if it takes about a year and you still haven't got one sale, yeah, I would highly go and check to change things up. That's when I would, like, you know, change things up and stuff like that. But just be patient and just wait for your turn, because there's a lot of, like, people get discouraged so much on, you know, they get discouraged because they go into something thinking that it's gonna blow up right then and there. It does not work like that. It might work like that for some people, but 99% of the time, no, it does not work like that. And don't look at other people and see like, oh my god, they're getting so much sales, and I basically have I'm selling the same thing as them, and I'm not getting as much sale as them and stuff like that. That's because it's not your winning season. You don't know what that person has to go through. Like, I heard this so many times, like, and it's so true, because you don't know what that person's been through in their losing season. You might be in your losing season right now. Just stay within it and just keep grinding until you're in your winning season, because it's gonna be your turn eventually. So just be consistent and just keep posting, and eventually you will get a sale, even if it's from your mom or whatever, but you will get a sale. So if you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys got any type of, you know, advice or found it helpful, please make sure you guys give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.